Okay guys, today I'm going to be playing, I'm going to be showing you how to download Chew. Go to, first, you go to Safari. Go to Safari and you put in iOS. Download your message for iOS. And you have to have an iOS for this. You would press get. You press here, right there. Press get, and then when you have it, you go up to that and you go to download, and then you can download things and Chew, IO and NoSeggle, iRecord, and all of that. And so that's how you download it. Thanks for watching. Bye.